How you doing, guys? I hope you're well. Happy 2020. First video for me for 2020. Hope you had a great Christmas. I did. We did. We all did. Fantastic. No idea. On the menu today, some ribs. I want to do some oven-baked ribs. Fantastic. I mean, I've done them before. I did them on Steve's suppers. I did some lamb ribs with a chipotle, got a bit of a spice, honey mint glaze. And that I can't get my words out. I was waffling on, man. Yes, the glaze, the chipotle honey mint glaze, delicious. Got a bit of a spice, slightly sweet, not too sweet, and it goes fantastic on lamb ribs and pork ribs. Baby back ribs I'm doing, fantastic. And also I'm going to be doing some cowboy beans, and they go fantastic with the ribs. So sit back and enjoy. Happy 2020. Thanks, guys. To make the glaze, finely chopped chipotles in adobo sauce. These are smoked dried jalapenos, rehydrated in a sweet and tangy sauce, and they are delicious. Add to a pan, followed by chopped mint. Next add honey and apple cider vinegar. Stir well, gently warm through. Transfer to a bowl. And let cool. For this recipe, I'll be using baby back ribs. These beauties, when cooked right, are delicious, juicy and tender. They're from the highest part of the pig's back and are connected to the backbone. Quite expensive, but worth it. Before adding the glaze, use a paper towel to gently peel off the membrane. It's tough and you don't want it. Add 90% of the glaze and keep 10% back. Rub well. And marinate for 6 hours. For the cowboy beans, finely diced onion and jalapeno. Add olive oil to a pan. Add the onions and jalapeno and sweat for 5 minutes. In a baking dish, add beans, onions and jalapeno, tomatoes, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, hot sauce, Worcester sauce, honey, and pepper. Stir well. Now place in the oven and cook. In the last 50 minutes, take out the ribs and cover with foil or parchment paper to stop the honey from burning. Optional, but what I like to do is cut the ribs, add to a hot grill and brush them with a glaze. So there you have it, my delicious baby back ribs. Well, let's tuck in. Got to. Oh man. Sorry, I'm not talking. I love the kick of the adobo sauce. It's not in your face, it's just in the back there. Slightly sweet, not too sweet because I don't like sweety ribs. It's just perfect. It's just really, really nice. They go so well with the ribs. You can add parsley to this, cilantro, bacon, whatever you want. But these are amazing. And they go so well with the ribs. All right, guys, give it a go. Thanks, guys.